Dear Lord, thank you for another week. As I step out into the world, give me the grace to run my race. Help me to stay in my lane. Help me to take my place. Help me to not copy or compete with the man on my right. Help me to focus on shining, not comparing my light with his light. Help me to pursue my purpose. Help me to love people. The world is very busy and noisy. Help me to keep my life simple. Lead and guide me. You are my navigation. I know if I obey you, I will reach my destination. I surrender, take control. I trust you to drive. You have my full permission. Do what you want with my life.